That's Shoni running from deers, people. Look at that. Look at that.
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so this is our last full day in Kyoto, and we are going to go to the Imperial Palace, the aquarium, and where else? This is
Where's your book?
No, remember all these activities are your activities, you know. Did you press one?
Where is the book?
Yeah, so I don't know where we're going today because all of these are her stuff.
We're going to the Imperial Palace and Kyoto Aquarium and Nishi something, but we left the book, so anyway, I can finish.
Okay, and we are gonna go get some breakfast. No, it's actually raining outside, so we have our umbrellas that we bought yesterday. Yeah, I still can't find my tripod. Our last day in Kyoto, or last full day I should say. Tomorrow we gotta leave out very early because we're going to Nara. McDonald's for breakfast. Rainy day. Sucks. We just had breakfast and now we're gonna head to Nishiki Market. It's about 6 minutes walk from here, so using Google Maps to try and find this place, and then afterwards we're gonna go to the aquarium, and then maybe we go to this ancient looking Starbucks. So there are many Starbucks here, but they have this special looking one that looks like a traditional building, like a traditional Kyoto building, but it's actually a Starbucks. The inside is like, based on what I saw on the internet, inside you sit down like on like a Japanese restaurant would look, but it actually is Starbucks. We're being to another Starbucks, which is the normal Starbucks, but we really want to experience this one as well. So hopefully we can get time to go there in this weather. Everywhere you go, you see a Starbucks. Anyway, so you see how this street is lively. We're gonna turn into a market somewhere here. So you just look at how we have like the city looking place, and then it's gonna be totally different when we turn. So wait, let me use the map and see which direction we should turn into, which way. Alright, so this is the street. We're turning down this way, and the market should be here somewhere. The Nishiki Market. What do they sell in the market? Like souvenir stuff? Like food stuff? Oh, they have dry food. Okay. Okay. That's the sign. I saw a message pop up saying that they attempted to deliver stuff to my home. I ordered stuff for this trip and they did not come in time. So I had to just check my closet and find some random things, like some random outfits, and put them together. Oh, they're delivering when it... Oh, the market. When I'm almost ready to... You want to go this side? When it's time for us to end our trip. Can you imagine? But this is the first time that Shein hasn't delivered on time. Nishiki Market. So street food mainly, and some other souvenir stuff. What are these? Is that eel? Okay. I don't think we're gonna stay long here. Ice cream. This is so cute. Ooh, neko is cat in Japanese. So this is like a cat place mixed with something else. So like cat stuff over there. And this dog. Okay. Do you want to try it? What are these? I have no idea.
Yeah, this is another street.
Well,
but some of the shops are closed. Are we early?
Maybe we are early. And look at this street as well. This is nice. But look at this Wendy's. It stretches from here all the way down there. We just came from the Nishiki market. Nishiki. Yeah, and next we're gonna go to the Starbucks, the tatami style Starbucks, because we bought tickets for the aquarium, but it's what 12:30 and we have like 2 hours to spare, so we're just gonna go to the Starbucks now instead. Yeah, so it's 13 minutes from here by taxi, so not too far. But everywhere is like between like less than 30 minutes apart in Kyoto, so that's pretty good for us. All right, so we are back at the hotel. We didn't get to go to Starbucks because, well, everything is just walking distance. So the McDonald's that we went is walking distance from the hotel. The Nishiki, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the Nishiki market is walking distance, and then we were gonna walk to find a taxi, but then we just decided to just go back to the hotel to get some water to drink. And now I feel tired, so I'm just gonna chill. It's 10:50. They're gonna leave at like 12 o'clock to go to the aquarium, and then after the aquarium then we'll go to Starbucks. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so I'm gonna just probably take a nap. Maybe I'll take a nap because I'm tired. Kyoto Aquarium. What does this remind you of? An onsen in the mountains. That's literally how it looks. But there's an onsen close by. Onsen like hot spring. Look at the fishes. All in Japanese. The river of Kyoto. I remember these from Okinawa. What is that?
I don't know what name, but it's okay.
I guess that's a fish. And it's long. Look at you see the end of it. But why do they have it in such a small cage though? Anyways, look at these small little things. They got splashed. Whoa. Ah, this is nice. Break. I got a soft cream, big burger, and cola. Nicolette got chicken, fries, and cola. Black and white fish, lionfish, hi seal. These ones are skinny. Usually seals are so fat. Penguin time. African penguin. Right here. Hey guys. Hi. Hi. Hey honey. I don't know. I think yeah, but others have that too. Why is this one picking up rocks and putting it somewhere? Alright, anyways, let's go around here. You're sleeping. We're two in here sleeping. Right here. Nice. Oh, so the thing on their wing is actually to identify them, their information. Anytime I see penguins, I remember penguins of Madagascar. This is the same creature that we saw in one of the caves.
Oh.
They're big and ugly and scary. That's the tail, I guess. They look like a snail. Not a snake, I don't know. What is it called though? Everything they say bites. We are Starbucks. Do you see Starbucks? Oh yeah, I see Starbucks. Oh, I actually thought that was Starbucks. So we're on the street. So we're gonna look for Starbucks right now. Starbucks. Oh, if we're going up there.
We're not on it.
No, we have to get a seat first. We're in Starbucks. This beautiful road. That's the road that Starbucks is on. You want to see what's up there? No. Okay. Well, it's dark. Anyway, so we just came from Starbucks and I think we are gonna head back home. Back to the hotel, I should say. Yeah, it's still raining, unfortunately. But yeah, this street, they have a lot of no picture signs. I guess we're not supposed to take pictures at the people in place. Anyways, in there is so colorful and pretty.
It's there?
More than likely. Anyways, come on, we're not buying anything. Umbrella shop. I highly recommend this street. It is called Ninenzaka Street. Ninenzaka Street. You can just search for Starbucks, Asian looking Starbucks in Kyoto, and you'll see the one that's on Ninenzaka Street, and it will take you to this area. I highly recommend that you guys check out this spot. Right here looks so beautiful earlier, but now that it's dark, can't really see anything. Oh my god, it smells awful right here. That's Kyoto for you. I guess this is also a famous street.
Yes.
We need. What is the name of the temple that's here?
Kodaiji.
Kodaiji. Okay, Kodaiji. I have to go research this. Kodaiji. Hope I can spell it. Is this the one that you were talking about?
Yeah, I wrote it on the thing.
Oh, see?
It was close to this.
Close to the Starbucks, because we were literally gonna take a taxi and then we saw like a sign and we decided to just walk down the street, and next thing you know, we're heading to a temple. Well, this is like 5:30 p.m. But maybe it's closed though, because at least. Okay, I'll try and brighten up this thing so you guys can see the streets better.
If not, they would have said it and they wouldn't be open.
Okay.
But it's up there, I whenever look at the sign there.
Oh, there is a sign over there. This street would have looked so much better in the daytime. Because look, you can see the tree, the color changing.
Yeah, so it was what I was saying. Inside they had some.
Oh, is it historical art
Yeah.
entrance? Okay. He said 2 minutes, so of course maybe it's this one. Yeah. But do you want to enter? I guess we're gonna have to pay to get in.
Yeah.
I don't know, 400, 900.
I don't think it's 500 then.
Hello, like alright. Okay, I guess another temple it is. Another 500 yen Japan will get from me. Konbanwa. Ticket. 500 yen.
Temple. So that is for
Three
three places for Goyaku. 900. And this. And this is for.
I guess it's better to take the 900 one. 2.
Yes.
That's
Yes. 何時まで 10 o'clock? 10時
I don't even know where we going. There is a museum here and 2 other things that we paid for. But like, I don't know. We're supposed to take off our shoes. Oh my god. Please don't enter the garden. Watch your step. If it is painted. Okay. Alright, nice. The one day I choose not to wear any socks is the day that I've been taking out my shoes a lot. Can you imagine? Socks. Nicolette, you know those movies that you watch with like the ninjas and stuff? Like the samurai movies? This is what this place is giving me. Like, ninjas might just attack us at any minute. I'm joking. But yeah, that's what it's giving me. Like, you know when you watch those karate movies with ninjas and samurais, and they have and this is how the houses look. Cold as hell, and I have on no socks. The water is not good to drink. Where's the water? Oh, right there. Whew. North Garden exit. Ooh. Right there's dark. Should have come here in the daytime. Staff only. Ooh. but this was not on our itinerary.
Oh yeah, it was on the thing. It was raining.
Okay, so we just left the house maybe, I don't know what you would call that. So now we're gonna go to the Kodaiji show museum, I guess. Yeah, museum ticket.
We went to
Alright, so we got this brochure. Let's see if you guys can see the light. Let me turn up the light. So we're going to Kodaiji temple. So we were at this Eno something. Why? I'm the worst.
Ensoku in temple.
Okay.
Kodaiji temple, doko?
Okay, arigato. So we're here, Kodaiji temple. Why is the night light in here so bad? Okay. Entrance. Ooh, this is nice. I just realized that my brightness was turned down because my battery was low. But this is like a cultural visit. I've never been to so many temples in such a short period of time. Corona. Main hall. Oh, we gotta take off our shoes again. OMG. Why? Again, I have to. We can't record in that temple, but here it's fine. I don't know what's going on right here. Some lights and stuff. Why is it so dark? Over there it has bamboo, but too bad you can't see it because it's nighttime. Okay, this is a one day. Otamaya. Ooh, what temple is this? Is this the main temple?
This is Kodaiji Zen.
So what is down there? What did we go through?
We went through a place where that showed us
some history. Okay. Kidoki.
I think.
One way. Have you noticed that all the temples that we have been to, or most of them, they have like this upstairs thingy going on. You have to go up.
It's actually hilly.
Up, yeah, hilly. Yeah, that. You gotta go up, and then there's like a nice lookout spot. You guys can't see anything because it's dark, but yeah, if you get what I'm saying. Whew. A lot of workout. Okay, let's follow this man. Guess we're going back down. Whew. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm walking all day. All darn day. Yeah, like from 5 o'clock. That was our initial plan. But next thing you know, we're here exploring 2 temples. But it is what it is. Because I ain't coming back to Kyoto. So might as well enjoy the trip. And go as many places as possible. Ooh, you guys can't see, but like there is a forest right here. Or should I say mountain. Yeah, back here. Keep out. Yeah, and it's windy.
Excited?
Yeah, because not every day you see like a whole area of bamboo. A bunch of bamboos. A collection of bamboos. Sachin. It's very muddy though. Photo okay. Lovers Sanctuary. Anyways, I think I'm over this place right now. Over this place. I need to go home. signal, so we're in Kyoto Station, and this is going to be the first time on this trip that we're taking the train. So we're gonna take a train straight to, I don't know, Belmar.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We've never seen Belmar.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Nara today, so we're gonna take a straight train. I think we go, yeah, this way. Yeah, we're trying to figure out where to go to get ticket for the train. We'll get those tickets. We're going to Nara.
So
This
Nara?
is so confusing. Yeah, Nara. Yeah, maybe this one. Tickets to Nara. 2. Confirm. Right now, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
What?
Yeah. Maybe click standard.
Right there.
Any seat. We don't have time for that. Okay. Alright, we gotta run for the train right now because it's almost 9 o'clock. Okay, come on, you're taking too long. We got 3 minutes to enter. 3 minutes. We're in Nara. This is the only reason why we came here to look for these guys. But this train is pretty. And next we gotta go to Osaka to take the train. I'm using a coin locker to store our suitcase since we're gonna be exploring, so we don't want to walk around. Wait.
I'm struggling, guys, with my nails.
We don't want to, and a coin though. We don't want to walk around with our big
Can I take out
suitcase.
this coin?
This is so convenient. Right out of the station. We just came out of the train station and then this lady came to us and was like, oh, you can use the coin locker. And that was it. Sightseeing map. Nara is cold. We have made it to Nara and I'm so excited, and we're walking to the park. I think we're already at the park, but maybe we need to walk a little further, but I don't see any deer yet. Where are they? I thought they were just roaming like all of Nara. Yeah, that's what they said, like they just roam freely. Yeah, so I haven't seen any as yet, so let's see. We're just gonna continue walking.
They're running all over. That's
Roaming, yeah, because they say there are a lot of them here, and they just allow them to, you know, to roam freely because they are sacred or something like that.
Hello, people. Let me allow you to see my beautiful face and skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
200 yen. There you go.
This for the.
To feed him. Thank you. To feed the deer.
This. Okay.
He wants food. I need to feed him, and there's another one right here. You know that they can bolt people, so I want to feed them. Aww. Hi, cutie. These are the small ones. Yeah, they might bite me. Yay, we're here. Look at these. I'm excited. You know how long I've been wanting to come here? The man is skimming off. I need them to bow to me. Come on. Yeah, one of the bigger one from up there. Ah, you doing that?
That's Shoni running from deers, people. Look at that. Look at that. People, so Shoni's running from the deers. You have all that they need.
And he's coming back for more. I don't have any more. Yes, man.
Are there others? There you go. That's all I have. That is all I have.
You were making fun of me. There you go. No, I'm gonna have more, but may I hide?
Turn around. Behind you? Behind you?
Alright, okay. No more. Bye. Bye.
Stop running. They know you have food.
Nara also has a rich history like Kyoto. Yeah. This is what? Kohokuji National Treasure Hall, I guess. I don't know, I can't pronounce Japanese. Oh, he doesn't want to take pictures.
Oh, the thing doesn't want to take pictures?
Yeah, that one when he was going back. Don't look, don't you? Walk up, don't go near him. It's like
Don't you see?
the one of them
was
nearly buck. Nicolette.
Like, I'm done.
Yeah, it's like you feed them, and once you give them one, it's like they're gonna follow you around.
Yes.
For more
Like,
until you're done.
They have food, so let me follow. And they get angry and try to
Attack you.
no. So I'm
Funny.
scared of them now, so I am not.
Yeah, it's scary being hunted by bears that can bite
I'm
you.
not doing anymore.
But I'm done, but I'm gonna buy one more of this. What do you call it? Simbe? Simbe, what do you call it? Forgot what the food is called. But I need pictures with them. Oh, let's look at it. These people are running from the deer. I just went to buy some more of these. And I saw a sign that said that the deer, they can buck you, knock you down, bite you. So there's actually a sign that says that, Nicolette. Yeah, it's up there. When I went to buy this, I saw it. They said that they're wild animals, though. They can attack at any point, so you have to be careful. So yeah, but there are so many of them, and it's like they just creep up on you. The next thing you know, they're behind you, trying to get food from you. Maxna Station. Pigeons. So there's a whole other section. Like the park goes all the way up there. You see what I was talking about? They bite, kick, butt. They bite, kick, butt. Knock down. Yeah, butt, no butt. Yeah, about a butt. Of course they bite.
Me, I'm not going to get there.
I want to take some nice pictures, but she's too afraid to. Got this one trying to attack this little boy. I don't want to record the photo. Yeah. Hey, cutie.
Watch it, taking my
It's coming for the boy, the little boy. Hey. Alright, so I'm gonna get my last set of food for these deer because I want a very nice picture with them. Like with me feeding them, because all the pictures that I took are pictures of me running away from them, so I don't like them that much. Alright guys, so we are at Kansai Airport and we are gonna eat and then head on the plane to go back to Tokyo. So this concludes our Kyoto trip, Kyoto, Nara and Osaka, even though we didn't do anything in Osaka. But anyway, so until next time, Nicolette is there very comfy and all. Until next time, bye guys.